I don't believe this! Where's the gift? Where'd I put it? Oh, I'm so lame!
It's right here, Marinette. See?
Thanks, Tiki. Excuse me, wait! If you don't mind, this is for Adrian. Can you wish him a Merry Christmas? From me, that is. I mean, it could be from you, too! In fact, Merry Christmas to you from, me, of course, I hope Adrian has a good Christmas.
Check it out, Natalie. Do you think you'll like all the decorations? He should be down here already. Did you call him?
Perhaps we should give him a few more minutes.
What's the point? He's not coming. Thank you. Merry Christmas, both of you.
Yes?
I can imagine how difficult it must be for you, sir, but it's also Adrian's first Christmas without his mother. I really think, sir.
I know, you're right. I'll go see him. I just need a little more time.
Of course.
He's still only thinking of himself. I just want this terrible day to be over and done with. I hate Christmas! Plague, claws out! It's Christmas in Paris, all is cheery and bright, but I am all alone tonight. Families are together with their gifts by their side. Only Cat Noir's alone tonight. There's no warmth for me, no tenderness for me. I'm alone like a cat in the night. I'm a sad, lonely kitty, won't anyone take pity? Cat Noir is alone tonight. Cat Noir is alone tonight. No one cares about me if I'm lost or I'm found, and I'm just like a cat in the night. I'll take your symbol of joy and burn it to the ground. I'm the vengeful cat of the night. I'm the vengeful cat of the night. Cataclysm! I can't do it! I can't do it!
Gotcha! My sense of smell has sniffed you out, Santa! Follow me and do not show resistance!
Stay back, Santa!
Quizmaster demands his gift!
Christmaster?
Christmas gifts must be deserved, and they're only given at Christmas. If you think I'm going to bend the rules, you're barking up the wrong tree.
Now, hold on a minute. There's no use in fighting. That's not the Christmas spirit now, is it? Would it be such a big deal if you gave the presents early? Just this once?
Listen to the smart man!
And while we're at it, I asked for super blades and I could really use them for my upcoming competition.
I kind of like this idea. I asked for...
Stop! That's not the way it works.
Oh, why not?
Christmas rules are very strict. You don't open gifts early. I give them at Christmas, not at Easter or Halloween. Otherwise,
You might as well have a bunny or a witch delivering your presents. Oh no, what have I done?
But couldn't you...
Make an exception.
Tradition is tradition. If we stop respecting it, then it's the end of Christmas.
Oh.
Well, there is one case in which I could make an exception for...
The best behaved kid in the whole world, the one at the top of your list of good children.
Bravo, Ladybug! At last, someone who knows the rules of Christmas. But I doubt your Christmaster is the best behaved kid in the whole world.
In that case, soldiers, attack! Attack!
Why so much hatred?
Ladybug, Cat Noir, protect Santa. I can take care of these toys. Triple axle and a pipe spin into a double toe loop. Not so high and mighty now, are we? Oh, those are some sharp teeth for a toy. Get me out of here!
I think I know who the toy's master is. I should have thought of it sooner.
Who is he?
I just have to check first to be sure. May I, Santa? That smell of a wood fire and cinnamon cookies. It's so Christmassy. You're up, Santa Cat.
This way. I smell Santa Claus's scent.
Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas, everyone!
There he is! I can smell him! He's not far! Follow me!
Come on, Santa. I know where to find Christmaster.
How about you, sir? Where will you be celebrating Christmas?
Me? I have all of Paris, the whole world even.
All by yourself, huh? Okay, here's what we're gonna do. Take me back home and have Christmas with us. I need you to bring the Christmas spirit back into our home.
All right then, but I can't stay for too long. You do know Santa's very busy at Christmas time.
Thank you.
Adrian, is that you? Who are you?
Isn't it obvious? I'm Santa Claus.
Really now? That would make me the Easter Bunny. You're here for money, I suppose. I'll get my bodyguard to deal with you.
No, you're wrong, Father!
No, he's not. Your father's got the right idea. He's a supervillain under Hawkmoth's control.
What?
You're all totally crazy.
No, Ladybug, stop! That man hasn't been akumatized!
I know when I'm looking at an Akuma victim, trust me.
Come on!
You're safe now. Go on home.
No, wait! Plague?
Adrian?
Come on, ponies! Giddy up! Hey, are you out of your mind? This hurts really bad.
Without even knowing it, you're giving me the best Christmas gift ever, Ladybug. An innocent man wrongly accused that the spirit of Christmas is broken. Fly away, my little Akuma. You have all that you need to evilize this Santa.
Where are you going, Adrian?
To my room, of course, since my father isn't celebrating Christmas.
Of course he is, Adrian. Your father came to see you earlier, but you'd gone out. I'll tell him that you're waiting for him. Just making sure you'll stay in your room this time.
Yeah, okay.
So you're not a supervillain?
Of course I'm not. I think you've been reading too many comic books, young lady.
I'm so sorry. Let me help you.
No, thank you. I think you've helped me enough.
But we need to save it to smash the snow globe.
Ho, ho, ho! Paws off, you naughty toys!
Santa Claus!
At your service, Ladybug. There's no way I'm letting anything happen to the best-behaved kid in the world. I'll take care of these two.
The best behaved kid in the world?
That's me. No fair! My toys! Come on, Chris. Give me that snow globe. You've got your Christmas gift.
If you don't want me to take away your present, Christmaster, remember that you're supposed to bring me Ladybug and Cat Noir's Miraculous.
No, stop! Oh, no!
Destroy them, Grubble-Tech Ultimate Destructor! Nobody can beat Grubble-Tech Ultimate Destructor!
I can take it down. Nothing can resist my cataclysm.
I know, but I'm gonna need it fully functional. Follow my lead. Hey, Grubbo thing! You want my miraculous? Come and get it! Over to you, Cat Noir!
Stop, Grubble-Tech!
Cataclysm!
No! Not my toy!
You have a choice, your toy or the snow globe.
No, don't do that!
Ho, ho, ho! go! Listen to Ladybug, kid. You won't regret it.